Teased you with that first clip, didn't I? It's not winter yet, but we are back. Upstate Blake here. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a great day, and let's get back into this YouTube grind. As it currently sits, October 18th, the leaves are almost done changing and they're falling to the ground. So time to get hyped about sleds. Let's go. Was trying to get a video done in September. Did not end up making that happen, but real quick in this intro, gonna ping pong back and forth and get you guys all up to speed. I think my last upload was probably last winter, but I know, just been busy, man. Just been going through summer. Real boring, didn't do much. Stayed at home a lot. Really just kept it low key. So yeah, very fun summer, and we're back. Today, had to pull this pretty girl out first because who doesn't like a triple, but back in September, we pulled all the sleds out and it looked really cool, so we'll do a garage update quick. The three amigos, going through them, giving them a little bit of a clean and just kind of tinkering. Got the Catalyst 858 Riot, got the Turbo Riot 9000, which has the 998 motor with a big flash in it, and we've got the Hooper ZRT, baby. What the heck, might as well start them all up too. Like I said, you can't pick favorites, but which one sounds the best? Come on. It is completely cold. Just so you guys know, I'm not cheating here. Good to go. Let the sweet symphony begin. First pull. Is it gonna work? What do you think? She's gonna be running rich today, bud. Sweet symphony. So yeah, it's like 60 something degrees today and it is running rich. And to follow up from last year, still have not figured out that bog issue off the line, but we've narrowed it down because I went through everything in the motor. It's definitely something to do with the clutching. So my next two things are going to be taking the drive clutch off to see if that's binding or if it's possibly sucking the belt in too fast. So I'm thinking it's one of those two, but I'm waiting until winter so I can get on this, go down the road over the ice and test it, see where we're at, but we'll figure it out. Some of you guys have been asking where the Yamaha's been. Yes, we still do own it, but will it make it back to the channel in time this year? I don't know. We're keeping it hush-hush just because I have a habit of talking about things before they happen. We're not going to do that. It might make it back to the channel this year. It might not, but we'll play it by ear, hoping for the best. Next up, we're going to go heavy on the porting, shave the heads, run this mother truck around race gas. That's a joke. I wish. But real note, the videos speak for themselves, guys. I know I did an absolutely terrible job of filming last year. While I filmed, I just did not edit them and pumped out hardly any content. So we're looking to change that this year. I'm getting super fired up here. Get the cameras on these bad boys, plan some trips, and go for a rip, bud. With all that said, I do have to honor one promise I made to my good buddy Mike. One of my favorite videos to do every year is the Back Lake Drag Racing event up in Pittsburgh, New Hampshire. Long story short, we did end up going and winning the KOT class. Me and my good buddy Joe stayed together. He ended up bringing our buddy's KOT sled with him. You've seen Joe in other videos. Mike drove, Joe wrenched, and I sat there with a camera waving and smiling at everybody. Teamwork makes the dream work, I'll tell you. But in the spirit of getting hyped up for winter, figured we'll do a quick back lake montage with some big sleds and then focus on Mike without the music and show you a sick power wheelie that he did. Power wheelie right on to victory, baby. This one's for you, Mikey.
2 rounds here.
I'm just wondering how all 3 of my sleds are.
Holy cow!
Got some outlaws coming up next. Big stuff here. Come on, Jake.
Legitimately could not have asked for a better race day though, compared to last year, which was just all over the place. You guys remember that video? Just look at it out. It's unbelievable. 20 something, it's like 25 degrees out, not a cloud in the sky, wind is minimal. Very, very happy with how today's race day turned out, but let's get back out there.
Mike Sweeney charges to victory in King of the Trail.
Yeah, baby.
Come on, hurry up.
Nobody gets paid for letting off, and that boy can ride a wheelie, I'll tell you what. Once everyone was done actually racing for the day and it was kind of winding down there, I had to go take this thing out for myself real quick and try it. My only regret of the day was not being able to take this sled for a full-length pass, but you're going to see it here in a second. There is people and families coming out in front of me, zigzagging all over the place. I was not out to break it or obviously crash into anybody. When you're dealing with 4, 5, 6, 7, 800 plus horsepower snowmobiles, things do happen very quick, and it was a highway out there. You're going to see on the return trip when I finally started letting it eat, someone just veers off to the left in front of me without even looking. Is what it is, though. Getting on this thing was absolutely sick. Just a couple of quick little baby runs was enough to scratch the itch and taste what the sled can actually do. We were barely getting into boost there, and the thing is just absolutely still sick. Doing almost triple-digit mile an hour in like 2 seconds is just the greatest feeling in the world, hands down. Anyways, though, up here in the northern country, the October countdown is finally here, and the winter hype is becoming real. Don't know what the next video is going to be yet, but stay on the lookout. As always, hit that like and subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one. Yeah!